Hi, I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, and I help teachers successfully integrate technology into their early learning environments. Are you looking for online ECE workshops about technology integration in early childhood education? There are two ways that you can access my online workshops. Option one, you can join each one individually for just $10 per month. Takeaways include supporting educational theories, embedded and adaptable lesson plans and activities, and certificate of completion with 3 hours of PD that you will receive after you submit a critical reflection. The second option is to become a member of the ICT in Education Teacher Academy for just $20 per month and gain instant access to all online workshops, all lesson plans, all ECE ebooks about technology integration, advice from other key experts. There's over 90 plus resources available to choose from. What makes these online ECE workshops ideal for you today? Build on your existing knowledge about the curriculum and practice. Practice in your own workplace every day. Set your own PD and agenda and have the time and the opportunity to experiment and reflect on new ICT experiments and experiences. All of them are linked to educational theories. So if you are serious about technology integration in early childhood education, then check out the links in the description today.